Balaji,
जी जी
living in the
जी
district Mahendragarh and Tehsil Narnaul.
जी
I got enrolled in the army. At that time, I was 18 years old, so I got chances to teach the soldiers also because I was selected. I was very interested in teaching. So when I was training there, my boss selected me as an instructor, and I used to start teaching in the beginning of my military service. Since that age, I am also teaching now. I got a retirement in 1982. After that, I got enlisted in the education department of Haryana as SS master, and I taught more than 18 years and half in the government service. I got retired on 3 March 3 March 2003, and after that I am also reading and teaching both the process. I am continuing my process. You say that teaching my hobby, so I am still teaching, and I am enjoying the subject, especially in English subject. Even though
I'm asking how you got selected in army.
I got selected. Actually, I was very light in weight. I had only 45 kgs of weight, whereas the weight was in the army recruitment wanted weight of 52 kg. So I could not got selected two times. And on the three times when I went to Rohtak, then I was a good runner. So I was first in running. So they selected me on the basis of my race. Army Signal Corps in 19 September 1963. At that time, I was quite ignorant about the army, but on 4th December 1971, I came to know that what the war is. I was in the front on 4th December. We were on the border. We were talking about our wireless sets because I had to give information to my headquarters as well as rear headquarters. So I met the Pakistani in their dress. They were in turban and they had khaki dress. So I thought that they were our soldiers. But later on I came to know that those soldiers were not mine. They were Pakistanis. When they asked me, where are you going? I told them that I was going to the front side. After some time, they opened fire on us. But luckily, we escaped from them. But some shots were on the vehicle. And then we informed the matter to our superiors. वो लोग ड्रेस में थे लेकिन वो सरदार जी दिखाई देते थे. ये मेरा पहला एक्सपीरियंस है जो कि वार का शुरू होने का.
कब की बात कर रहे हैं सर? कौन से सन की बात कर रहे
1971 में.
जी जी
4th December 1971.
जी जी
At about 4 p.m. On the border of Sadki, which is 8 kilometers away from Fazilka.
जी जी
Then some soldiers were coming from ahead. Even though some civilians were also coming from the Pakistan side, they had some bundles of clothes and goats. So they informed us that Pakistani has attacked. Pakistani army is coming, and we are saving ourselves with our animals. So they were running with their goats and other belongings. After some time, there was a fire, and then I came to know that the war had started. An army person also met me. He informed me that these are the civilians, but actually they were not civilians. They were Pakistani in the guise of Indians. So the war began, and there were shots after shots, gunfires. On that day, I came to know what war was. I told all these things to my superiors. Then there was a fight. I had to go in the front side because four Jat was there, and I voluntarily offered my services to them. So I, with my two friends, we were with the Jat regiment. After 2 or 3 days, I remember that there was a bayonet fighting between the Baloch regiment and 4th Jat regiment from our side. And there was a bloodshed. And even though I got some spots on my dress, and I saw my men, my soldiers lying on the ground with bloodshed, with blood spots. So I tried to save myself. Colonel Suri was with us. Colonel Suri told us that we should not be afraid of the war, we should stand and we should be brave, go ahead. As it was being told by the commander, a bullet struck on her right thigh and the blood began to flow. Then one of my friends said, "Sir, blood is there. No need. I am happy." So we were then encouraged by our colonel and we forwarded towards the Pakistani army. युद्ध में इतनी जोर का कोलाहल था, इधर से आवाज़ें ज़ोर ज़ोर से हो रही थी, जाट बलवान जय भगवान, और उधर से आवाज़ें हो रही थी अल्लाह अकबर। ना सुनाई दे रहा था हमको अच्छी तरह से कौन हमारा आदमी है कौन उसका आदमी है। कुछ धुंध थी, कुछ गोलों की धुआं थी, और धुआं के अंदर जो है हम पहचान नहीं पा रहे थे। कुछ भी हो, वो मेरे लिए जीवन का सबसे गर्व का क्षण था। दैट आई won't forget even though near my death। ये मेरा जीवन का वहाँ का अनुभव है 1971 का।
सर एक दूसरी लड़ाई भी लड़ी है आपने,
है जी?
दूसरी भी लड़ाई लड़ी है, 2 लड़ाइयाँ आपने देखी हैं।
फर्स्ट लड़ाई आई फोर्ट
हाँ
इन ईस्टर्न इंडिया,
जी।
आई मीन नेफा, नॉर्थ ईस्ट फ्रंटियर एजेंसी। देयर आई गॉट चांस टू सी द वॉर बिटवीन पाकिस्तान एंड इंडिया in 1965. So there I was not in the thick of, in the dance of the fight, but I was away from the fight, but I could see what was happening there. It was very evident that the soldiers were fighting and there were a big noise of guns and fire of rifles, and even though people were also crying with slogans with the name of God, अल्लाह अकबर एटसेट्रा।
उस समय हथियार भी आधुनिक नहीं थे, बिल्कुल पास पास से ही लड़ाई हो रही होगी उस समय। तो
लड़ाई उस समय दूर से हो रही थी क्योंकि हम जो थे काफ़ी पीछे थे, तो यहाँ से गन फायर कर रही थी। जो आगे फ्रंट में इन्फेंट्री होती है, मैं इन्फेंट्री में नहीं था, मैं सिग्नल कोर में था, तो वो जो आगे जो थे वो लड़ाई कर रहे थे और हम पीछे थे। तो उस समय मैं लड़ाई के बिल्कुल एकदम क्लोज में नहीं था, मैं लड़ाई से थोड़ा पीछे था तो युद्ध में ही
जी,
लेकिन मैं उसमें फाइटिंग नहीं कर रहा था।
1965 की जब वार हुआ था उस कितना समय हो गया था आपको भर्ती हुए?
मेरे को 2 साल हो गए थे
जी।
1963 में भर्ती हुआ था। जस्ट आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ माय ट्रेनिंग आई गॉट चांस टू सी द फाइट।
जी, कैसा क्या माहौल रहता है, थोड़ा उस बारे में बताओगे? जिस टाइम पे अटैक होता है किसी देश पे।
ऑफ कोर्स
जी।
द एनवायरनमेंट इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द वॉर इज वेरी attractive as well as enthusiastic. In that period, people are full of courage and they are in the search of chance to fight with the enemy. So there is no fear at all. There is always talks about the bravery, and everybody talks of the motherland and to save it. So I got chance in wars. First of all, I felt there that there was no fear at all, even though I myself could not control myself, and I run ahead to save some of my friends who were going ahead and fighting.
किसी देश की लड़ाई में राजनीति का कितना दखल होता है?
there is, I don't know about it, and even though I had no knowledge about the politics in those days when I was fighting. After retirement, I came to know what politics is. In war, there is no knowledge of politics. Only soldier is soldier. He is bound to save the country. He is bound to save the respect of the country, and he only knows only one thing, that is to kill the enemy and go ahead.
सर देखिए, आप 81 वर्ष के हो गए हैं। अभी आप जब बात कर रहे हैं तो इंग्लिश आपकी बड़ी फ्लुएंटली बोल रहे हैं। तो इंग्लिश शुरू से आपकी अच्छी है या रिटायरमेंट के बाद, या आप कैसे, क्या है इसका बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए।
I was in the department where English was necessary.
जी, जी।
During my training, I got knowledge about the English because I had typex machine on which I had to type 2 or 3 hours daily. So on that spot, I came to know what about the English is, and even though my commanders also spoke English, so I was in the unit where English was necessary. There I got a chance for appearing in the private examinations, and after that I am continued to read English, to learn English, even though to listen English. So it is my hobby. I can express very easily in English rather than Hindi or any other language. I know Punjabi also
जी जी।
because I passed matriculation examination with Punjabi subject, and I also taught 2 of my comrades there, and they got passed in the Jani examination in Punjabi. So I know 3 languages equally, Hindi as well as Punjabi and English.
सेना से सेवानिवृत्ति के बाद में आपने अध्यापन भी किया है?
Yes, I am continuing. I am still teaching, and I am still reading and learning. This is my hobby. So I used to taught in the army, and I am teaching now also.
सर जब एक लड़ाई हुई, जब आप बता रहे थे, तो एक युद्ध में तो आपके कुछ जो सैनिक थे, साथी थे, कर्नल थे, वो कुछ एक्सपायर वगैरह भी हुए थे, कैसे क्या?
No, I don't know the name of the people who killed there, but most of the soldiers were killed in the war. I saw them personally with my own eyes. I am witness.
तो उस टाइम आपकी क्या स्थिति थी जब साथी?
My situation was quite full of enthusiasm as well as bravery. I was waiting for my turn to fight the soldiers, to fight the enemy.
तो आप कितने एनिमी को आपने भी उसको किया, ये थोड़ा?
I could not count at that time.
जी जी।
There was very fog all around, and there was smoke of fires, gunfires. So I could not recognize even though my own men there.
आप भी खून से लथपथ हो गए थे, आपको पता है?
Yes, I got so many spots of blood as there was a fight between the 2 armies with the bayonet. Bayonet is like a knife that is kept from the front, from the rifle, or head of the rifle. If the enemy is very close to us, then we can't fire at them. So in that period, we fight with the bayonets. They stab like as we stab others. The bayonet is also a sort of stab that is kept on the front of the rifle, and that we push to the enemy's chest or anywhere where we could